Hey, it's your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Londa, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, over here we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and we do a little cooking. Well, today we're going to do a September plan with me, and I'm using the fold out inserts from Team Booked. So let's get started, everybody. So today for our monthly plan, the inserts, I pulled some things that I think I want to use. So I pulled these two washis that I want to use as fall. So I think I want to celebrate the fall. So I pulled these two. I also pulled some sticker books. My favorite, of course, colorful boxes. I'm also going to use something from the autumn sticker book. And I got these inserts. It was I think it's like a pack of 10 sheets. I got these from Amazon. So I pulled out the ones that are kind of fall inspired to see if I'm going to use something from this. I have my Happy Year sticker book. I also have my flowers sticker book. And I do have my botanicals. So we're going to kind of use, something from all of these. As you know, because I go back, well, you may not know, for those of you who are new, I typically will go back and I like to reinforce the inserts. That way, as I take them in and out of my planner, it's heavier and it helps it with staying. And so that's what I'm going to be doing today, is just to reinforce the center. To start with these here. So here we go, guys. Let's decorate. We're getting ready for fall. So I don't know about you all, but I love a good fall decor in my planner. Talk to you later. So I'm interrupting here and just to show you, I've run out of the colorful box stickers for gold in this size. So what you see me doing here is cutting out the outline. So this is something that you all can also do in your pages, because sometimes the stickers have outlines that are on them. So what I'm using now is cutting out the outlines and using the outline in my planner. I'm definitely one who likes to reuse, so I don't like to have a lot of I guess I like to reuse, so I'm a big recycler. So this is a great way to use every part of the planner, and every part of the sticker. So this is what I'm doing now. And if you want to know more about how I reuse old planner pages, Just let me know in the comments, and I can definitely do a video on how I use old planner pages. Talk to you again. Back to the decor. So hey, I'm back here, and so now we're gonna plop this into the planner. So hopefully you enjoyed that a little. So this is my LV desk agenda. You guys have heard me talk about it before, and I have these half inserts. This is from a previous month, and I use the planet plotted for my monthly goals and everything, and that's just kind of how it looks. And so we're going to be doing, this is September, and I did not do an August planning insert. So if you're looking for that, I didn't do an August. August was one of those super busy months. It was crazy. If you want to know where I got this from, this is linked in the description box. I did pick this up from Amazon. I do really love it. It adds a bit of decor. So I've placed the monthly inserts into the planner, and this is what it looks like here. And so I don't have a lot going on this month that's extra. Everything that I have going on is pretty much routine. I do have some things going up this coming weekend where I'll be attending Battle of the Bands. If you're familiar with HBCUs, which is historically black colleges and universities, my youngest daughter does attend an HBCU, and we will be attending the Battle of the Bands and the game with her. Of course, I am also a huge college football fan, and I'm gonna look through my sticker books to see if I have little footballs or something that I can put here to kind of help to add to that decor. My middle daughter, she's turning 21. Oh my goodness. So it's her birthday this month. We'll be celebrating with her for her birthday. And I also, like I've said before, I am also a business coach, and I have a Boost Your Circle 12-week intensive program going on currently, where we have members who are either new entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs who would just like to boost their current productivity also improve their current business processes. So week 2 through 6 occurs in September. If you want to know more, go ahead and drop your email in the comment box below, and we'll email you more information about how you can join or how you can learn more about the Boost Your Circle. So this is September. Not a lot going on, but this is what my decor looks like. And I'll be doing something different with the Planet, Plotted, and Possess It pages. I'll show you how. Maybe you don't want to do monthly goals and monthly reflections. I'll show you alternative ways of how to use these. So if you're not already, turn on the notification bells, because that video will be dropping this week as well. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload that video. If you like this channel, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I am trying to get to 200 subscribers. So share, subscribe, just show your girls some love. Also, if you like this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. And as I said before, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So this is your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Londa. And over here, we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and we do a little cooking. Thank you so much for joining me on today, and we're going to say bye-bye now. See you later.